2003 Holden Commodore XR280 by CAPA Performance. Sporty Holden 4-door saloon breathed on by CAPA Performance. Effectively unused, 620 kilometres, right-hand drive, collector's piece. One of only 8 Holdens engineered by CAPA, this being number 5. 5.7 litre Generation 3 alloy V8 fitted with the CAPA supercharger, intercooler system and producing circa 400 brake horsepower. In the UK since 2003, remains on a Nova, having been sat in collections its whole life. As might be expected at this tiny mileage, the interior is immaculate, virtually as new. Extremely rare, perhaps a Lotus Carlton alternative, and an interesting proposition.